Hello friends, welcome to my channel Made About Construction. My name is Deepak Varshani, and in this video we will talk about one Autodesk error that whenever you are installing any Autodesk product like AutoCAD, BIM 360, ArtCam, Maya, then you may face this kind of error. Some products comes with the green flag installed, and when you try to install it again, it doesn't appear. This buttons becomes green, and when you check these products in your program from start menu, you doesn't find it, so you can't use it and you can't install it because you have installed this product previously on your computer and you haven't uninstalled it properly, and some of traces left over on your system. So your Windows identify this kind of files as an installed program, and AutoCAD gives you the error that it is already installed while it is not there. So in such case, we have 4 methods to clean all the leftover traces from your system, and can do fresh installation. You can find all of these 4 methods on article, and this article's link is given in the top comment of this video, and you may also find the link of this article in the description. So now before we start one by one, we have to disable all the settings like antivirus, Windows Defender, firewall, and any other protections if you are using. Here I am using Windows 10, so I'll go in settings and update and security and Windows security. So here I will disable all these settings which can stop this system to remove those leftover traces. So first I will disable this virus and threat protection. So click on manage settings and disable all these settings one by one. After that, click on firewall and network protection, because this also can stop you to remove leftover files. And then app and browser controls, and go to reputation based protection settings and disable all these options. And this is privacy settings, we have to disable. Most commonly you will find this side, but Windows keeps changing its interface, its settings. So we have disabled all the protections, and again I will make sure my firewall so private network and guest or public networks both are turned off. So now we will try one by one this method and fix this error. So first of all, method number 1 is you have to go to start menu and find Autodesk folder, and here you will find uninstall tool. So open and select your product. Here I want to uninstall 2018. So you tick on it and click here on uninstall. Once it will complete uninstallation, then here it will show green mark. So this is first method you try, and restart your computer and try to install your AutoCAD or any Autodesk product. If this method doesn't work, you go to control panel and then program and features, and here you select all the Autodesk products and remove all of them. If you are uninstalling AutoCAD 2018, then remove all the elements which is related to AutoCAD 2018, but do not forget to remove Autodesk Genuine Service, Autodesk License Service, because these are the traces which gives this kind of error. So for that you right click and change, and it will start uninstalling the products. So you perform these actions on all the Autodesk products. So this is second method. Once you complete this method, you again restart your computer and try to AutoCAD or any Autodesk product. Now we will talk about most effective method, which is method number 3. So here on this article you will find Revo Uninstaller. So you click on Revo Uninstaller and download Revo Uninstaller on your computer. It is very small file and it will not take much time. Once you finish Revo Uninstaller downloading, right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. And OK. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Next, install. And finish. So it will open Revo Uninstaller once you finish installation, or you can open this from desktop. So here you select those products which you want to uninstall. So here we will uninstall AutoCAD. So we will select one by one all the elements of Autodesk product. So AutoCAD 2018. I will show you only for one element how to uninstall using Revo Uninstaller, and then you will repeat same action for all other elements. So you remove this tick mark and then continue. Yes. So once it finishes, you again scan in advanced status or advanced mode to remove leftover files. So here it is scanning to check leftover files, folders and registries. So here it is showing all the files. So you select all and perform delete. Again it is showing one leftover files and or folder. So you select all and perform delete and click yes. So this is one product of Autodesk, but you have to perform for all, because this is just, it was just library. Now it is Autodesk App Manager. This is main AutoCAD program, and then Autodesk desktop app. Normally we have to perform this kind of uninstallations for Autodesk genuine services, Autodesk license services, because these are the traces which keeps showing this kind of error. So do not forget to remove all the traces. I am showing again for this element how to perform this kind of uninstallation using Revo Uninstaller. Select advanced and scan. Select all, delete, yes. So all these elements were installed when I have installed AutoCAD 2018 during my recent installations. So I have to remove all those elements. For now, just to save time, I am not showing all the elements, but you have to remove all the Autodesk elements from here. Now, after removing all those files and features of Autodesk, using Revo Uninstaller, you have to restart your computer and try to install AutoCAD or Autodesk products. Now if this method is also not working, then we have fourth method here on our article. So here you have to perform method number 4. So go to this link, click on this link, and then download troubleshooter. I will save it on desktop. Here Revo Uninstaller is third-party uninstaller, but this Microsoft Uninstaller program is a Microsoft's own product. So we will try this. So right click on it and open, and then click on next. And then uninstalling. When you will click on uninstalling, you will see the list of the programs which you want to remove. So I will click on these 3 products one by one and remove all of them. Yes, try uninstall. Method number 1 and 2 are very common, while method number 3 and 4 are most effective. So if you will try method number 3 and 4, it will fix your problem. Using this method, we have uninstalled only one item from that list. Now you have to remove all the items using same. Again, going here, next, uninstalling, and you see there are other items as well. So you have to remove all this one by one from this method, and then you have to restart your computer and try to install AutoCAD or any Autodesk product. So these are the 4 methods you can use to solve this problem. If you have any question, you can drop it into below comment box, and you can also contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can find my WhatsApp number on this article. So here, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.